G'day, here's another outstanding machine that's just arrived in here to Country Wholesale Group. It is a 2011 Holden SV6 Thunder utility. Outstanding in condition and ready to go. Let's have a look. It's got the black speedy alloys, good set of tyres, a blue-green metallic, a great looking colour. Holden SV6, they're not making them anymore, and this is your opportunity to secure one. Looking inside the vehicle, it's got the partial leather interior. It's 127,000 very careful kilometres. It does have satellite navigation, climate controlled air conditioning, Bluetooth and cruise control. So what a great Aussie favourite, this Holden SV6 Thunder utility. Available now here at Country Wholesale Group. So again, ice cold air conditioning, a Thunder utility, low kilometres, 127,000 very careful kilometres, well looked after and ready to go. Certainly a great looking ute and a real Aussie favourite. It's got the tow pack on the rear, and a great looking versatile ute. So cwg.net.au, Country Wholesale Group, here at 15 Uralla Road in Port Macquarie. And you can phone us on 6581 2881 if you want your own personalised virtual tour of this vehicle. A simply outstanding machine, and again, they're not making them anymore. This is ready to go. 2011 SV6 Thunder, 127,000 careful kilometres. Come and check it out here at 15 Uralla Road in Port Macquarie. There's no doubt that you'll be more than impressed, and of course we certainly will look after you.